your PAX A80, you're going to want to first start by opening the box and removing the device from the box and the plastic sheeting. You can set it aside real fast, and in the back of the box you'll have the power cables for the unit. Go ahead and remove those from their plastic bag. You'll notice the power cable comes in two parts, and you'll simply locate the end and plug it into the bottom. The smaller end will plug into the back of the device on the right hand side. You'll see a little plug there. You can plug it in, and you can run the wires through the wire harness on the back. Just like that. Once done, you'll want to locate the LAN cable, which is marked by a red sticker and is the farthest left plug there. You can plug it in and run your cable through the wiring harness in the back to secure your cables. Once done, you'll want to set it aside and plug the device into the wall. To power it on, you'll hold down the red power key for about 5 seconds and release. The unit may take several minutes the first time that you power it on to fully boot up, as during this time it will be not only going through its boot cycle, but it will be downloading any app updates that may exist. Once the unit has booted up, you'll click on the blue TSYS icon to start the TSYS app, and you're ready to take transactions or add the unit to your point of sale.